Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about exercise 1.6 of number system unit. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಾನು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 1.6 ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. First laws of exponent. First law is a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m plus n. So what is the meaning of this? If you have any number like this, 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. See here, base is same, here also base is same, but power is different. In the place of m we are having 5, in the place of n we are having 3. So then we can write that as a to the power m plus n. What we have in the place of a? In the place of a we are having 2, and in the place of m we are having 5. In the place of n we are having 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. So if you have any number with the same base but different power, and you have a multiplication sign in between them, then what you have to do is you have to add the power. We have to add the power. Now let's see the next law of exponent. A to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n. Let's write the same example here. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. So what we have in the place of a? In the place of a we are having 2, in the place of m we are having 5, in the place of n we are having 2. Then we can write that as a to the power m minus n. 2 to the power m is 5, 2 is n, so n is 2. We can write as 2 to the power 5 minus 2 is 3. Now let's see the next law of exponent. A to the power m into whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m man. If you have a number like this, 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2, then we can write that as a to the power mn, means 2 to the power m into n, that is 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. You can write as 2 to the power 10. ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್, ನಾವು ಆ ಪವರನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Now let's see the next law of exponent. A to the power n divided by b to the power n, that is equal to a by b whole to the power n. What is the meaning of this law of exponent? Here base is different, power is same, and we are having division. So base is different. Write any two numbers, 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. Here a is different, b is different, but powers are same. So then we can write that as whole divided by whole to the power n. We can divide that as 3 by 2 whole to the power 2, because both 3 and 2, both numerator and denominator having the same power. So we can divide that first and write the power together, means only one power we can write for that. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಷನನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಆ ಪವರನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 law of exponent. Now let's see the next law of exponent. A to the power 0, that is equal to 1. What does it mean? If you have any number, for example 2, 3, 4, 5, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪವರ್ 0, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2 to the power 0 is also 1, 3 to the power 0 is also 1, and 4 to the power 0 is also 1, and 5 to the power 0 is also 1. Any number to the power 0 that is equal to 1. Now let's see the next law of exponent. If we have the one base with minus power, then we can write like this. What does it mean? For example, if you have 5 to the power minus 2, again we can rewrite this number as 1 divided by 5 to the power 2. If we have any number with a negative power, you can write the number as 1 divided by that number. We can rewrite that number as 1 divided by that number. So this is all about laws of exponent. Now let's solve the problem related to this exercise part. First question, 64 to the power half. So first you have to see is there are two methods to solve this question. ಎರಡು ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. First you have to see the base here, which is the base. 64 is the base, and you have to see the denominator of the power, which is the power here. Half is the power. So what is the denominator of the power? 2 is the denominator of the power. Now you have to see here power is 2, right? Denominator of the power is 2, right? By multiplying with same number 2 times you are getting 64. By multiplying with same number 2 times you are getting 64, which is that 8, right? 8 into 8, 64. By multiplying 8 2 times we are getting 64. Then we have to write the power as it is, 8 into 8 to the power half. Now how many 8 is here? We have 2 times of 8, so we can write 8 square. Then power we have to write as it is. Then here this 2 and this 2 will cancel, so remaining is 8 to the power 1. So answer is 8 only. First ನಾವು ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 64 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 64. 8 into 8 is 64. ಸೊ 2 times 8 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 8 to the power 1, that is 8. This is the first method to solve this one. One more method is there. You have to do the prime factorization of 64. So when we divide 64, first prime number we have to divide that by 2 because this is the even number, so we can divide by 2. 2 32s are 64. Again we can divide by 2. 2 16s are 32. Again we can divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So this is the prime factorization of 64. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are having 2 6 times. If you multiply 2 6 times, you are getting 64 also. So 64 to the power half. Also you can write as 2 6 times, or you can directly write it to the power 6. 2 6 times to the power half. We are having 2 6 times and to the power half. Here power we have to write as it is. Here we can cancel the power, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So if we are remaining with 2 to the power 3. Here 3 into 1 is 3 only. 2 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So from the both method you are getting the same answer. This is the prime factorization. Here you have to see by multiplying which number 2 times you are getting 64. Now let's see the next question. First I will do this method. First we have to see the denominator of the power, that is 5. By multiplying which number 5 times you are getting 32, that is 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 32 to the power 1 by 5. How many times we are having 2 here? 5 times. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. Here 5 get cancelled. We are remaining with 2 to the power 1, that is 2. One more method is 5 prime factorization. 32 we have to divide by 2. We are getting 16. We are getting, then 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. We are having 2 5 times same. So 32 to the power 1 by 5 we can write as, how many times we are having 2 here? 5 times. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. Here 5 get cancelled. So remaining is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Both method we are getting the same answer. So which method is easy for you? You can follow that method. Now this one, 125. By multiplying which number 3 times you are getting 125. By multiplying which same number 3 times you are getting 125. Which is that? That is 5. When you are multiplying 5 3 times, 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. We are getting answer. Then how many times we are having 5? We are having 5 3 times. Then power we have to write as it is. Here 3 get cancelled and remaining with 5. Using prime factorization also you are getting the same term here. 125 we can't divide by 2 because this is odd number, and again we can't divide by 3 because when we add this number 1 plus 2 that is 3, 3 plus 5 that is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so this number is also not divisible by 3. Next prime number is after 3, that is 5. So we can divide this is 5, this by 5 because here unit place we are having 5. In the unit place we are having 5. So we can divide this number by 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 5 how much the 125? 525 is 125. Then 5 how much is 25? 5 5 is a 25. Then 5 1 is a 5. We are having 5 3 times. When you multiplying 5 3 times you are getting 125. So 125 to the power 1 by 3 you can write as 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So remaining with 5 to the power 1, that is 5. Here why we can cancel this 3 and 3? Because 5 to the power 3 means 3 by 1. So here we can cancel this numerator and this denominator. We can't cancel denominator, numerator. One number denominator we can cancel with other number numerator when you have the multiplication. Next question, 9 to the power 3 by 2. So in the same way how we solve the previous problem, we can solve this. 9 we can write as 3 into 3. Here you have to see we are having here the power denominator, the power is 2. By multiplying which same number 2 times you are getting 9, that is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Next we are having 3 2 times here, so 3 square to the power 3 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, that's why you got 3 to the power 3 here. 3 to the power 3, that is 27. Again I will do here by prime factorization method. 9 we can divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So multiplying 3 2 times you are getting 9. So in the place of 9 we have to write 3 into 3. 9 to the power 3 by 2. In the place of 9 we can write 3 into 3. 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2. How many times we are having 3? 2 times. 3 square to the power 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. We are remaining with 3 to the power 3, that is 27. Now let's see the next question. How we solve the previous one? In the same way we have to solve this. Here I didn't do all the method one by one because by solving all this problem we come to know that how you have to solve this. Already ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 64 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ರೈಟ್. 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 2. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು 2 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ನಮಗೆ 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ 16 ನಾವು 2 to the power 4 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪವರನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3/4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4/4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ 2⁻³ that is 8. Now I will do the same problem by prime factorization method. 16. So now we have to divide by 2. 2 8 is 16. Next, by which number we can divide this? We can divide this by again 2. 2 4 is 8. Again we can divide by 2. 2 2 is 4. Then 2 1 is 2. How many times we are having 2 here? 4 times. So 16 to the power 3/4. In the 16 we can rewrite as 2 to the power 4. 4 times we are having 2, so we can write as 2 to the power 4. Then this power is 3/4. Therefore 4 we get cancel, remaining is 2 to the power 3. What is 2 to the power 3? 2 to the power 3 is 8. This is the answer. If you find this method easy, you can't follow this method. If you find this method easy, you can follow this method. So this is the next problem, 125 to the power minus 1/3. So here first we have to see the denominator of the power, that is 3. By multiplying which same number 3 times, you are getting 125. That is, by multiplying 5 3 times, we are getting 125. So 125 we replaced as 5 into 5 into 5. Then here we are having power minus 1/3. So here we are having 5 3 times. So we wrote 5 to the power 3 and the power minus 1/3. Here 3 get cancelled. We are remaining with the 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 we can write as 1/5. I told in one identity, a to the power minus m we can write as 1 divided by a to the power m. So you can write 5 to the power minus 1 as 1 divided by 5 to the power 1. That is 1 divided by 5 to the power 1 is 5 only. So you can rewrite 5 to the power minus 1 as 1/5. Now let's do this by prime factorization method. 125 we have to divide by 5. You have to divide only by prime numbers. Prime factorization means we are dividing by prime number only. First do by 2, then do by 3, then do by 5. This is, we can't do by 2 because this is the odd number. Again we can't divide by 3 because sum of this number is not divisible by 3. Next we have to try for 5. Here last number is 5, so we can divide by 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ last number 5 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು 5 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 525 is 125. Then 5 is 25. 5 1s are 5. We are having 5 3 times. So 125 to the power minus 1/3 you can rewrite as, how many times we are having 5? 3 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 5 we are having 3 times. So power minus 1/3. Here 3 get cancelled. Remaining is 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 we can rewrite as 1 divided by 5. This is the answer. Now let's see the third question in this exercise. Simplify. Here they have given the two number together. We have to simplify this using loss of exponent. See here base is same, so we can write write alphabet A or B. If the same means you have to write A. Here also you are having A. Then in between you are having this sign, multiplication sign. Then what about power? Different power. So one power is m, one power is n. So which law of exponent is this? A to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n, right? Using this law of exponent we can solve this. So which law of exponent? A to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. So what we have in the place of a? In the place of a we are having 2, so we can write a is equal to 2. Next in the place of m we are having 2/3. In the place of m we are having 2/3. Next what we have in the place of n. In the place of n we are having 1 by 5. So n is equal to 1 by 5. So this is similar to left side, right? Here we have multiplication sign. Here also we are having multiplication sign. So this is similar to left side. Now we have to simplify, that is similar to right side. So you can rewrite this as a to the power m into a to the power n. So what is there in the right side? A to the power m plus n. So this is nothing but 2 to the power m. M is 2 by 3 and n is 1 by 5. So this is 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Again here we have to simplify the power. What is the power here? 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. I will solve here. Only the power 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. So 5 3 is a 15. Then we have to do the cross. 2 5 is a 10. 1 3 is a 3. So answer is 13 by 15. When we solve the power, we are getting answer 13 by 15. So when we find the LCM of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, we are getting 2 to the power 13 divided by 15. This is the answer of this question. Now let's solve this question. 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. I will write again here. This you can write as 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. So using which law of exponent we can solve this? ಯಾವ law of exponent use ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ law of exponent we can solve the thing which is inside the bracket, that is a to the power minus m equal to 1 divided by a to the power m. So here see, this is similar to what is there inside the bracket. This is similar to this term, right? 1 divided by a to the power m. In the place of a we are having 3 and in the place of m we are having 3 only. In the place of a also we are having 3. In the place of m also we are having 3. Now this is similar to what? A to the power minus m. So this we can rewrite as a is 3 and m then minus, then again we are having m. So 3 to the power minus 3. 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 you can rewrite as 3 to the power minus 3. So same thing we have to substitute here. This number we have to substitute here. So this number we can simplify as 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 7. So now see here, this is similar to this law of exponent. One term we are having here, that is a, then that is having two different power, that is one is minus, no need of minus, one is the power here, one power is here. Then a to the power m into whole to the power n. This is similar to a to the power m whole to the power n. This term that is similar to this term in the law of exponent. We have to substitute and simplify, that is similar to this side. ಈ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಇಂದ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು 3 ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್. ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ minus 3, ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ 7. ಸೊ 7 into 3 that is 21. We are having minus sign here, so we have to write minus. 7 3 is 21. So ಈ 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 7 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 3 to the power minus 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ ದ 2 law of exponent we used here. First is this one, a to the power minus m, that is equal to 1 divided by a to the power n. Next one more law of exponent, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now let's see the next question. 11 to the power half divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. So this is similar to which law of exponent? We are having base same, so we can write a and a. Power is different, one is m, one is n. So what is a to the power m divided by a to the power n? That is a to the power m minus n. a to the power m divided by a to the power n ಅಂದರೆ a to the power m minus n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? a ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಇದೆ, b ನ m ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ half, and in the place of n we are having 1 by 4, right? So using which law of exponent we can solve this? That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n. So we can write here 11 to the power half divided by 11 to the power 4 is 11 to the power half minus 1 by 4. This is nothing but 11 to the power half minus 1 by 4. So when we have to simplify the power here, half minus 1 by 4. When we simplify the half and 1 by 4, we have to find the LCM. So 4 here, 2, how much is 4? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so 1 2s are 2. Next 4 1s are 4, so we have to multiply numerator also 1. So then we are having minus sign here. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, so 1 2s are 2, 4 1s are 4, so 1 1s are 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1, divided by 4. This is the simplified LCM, a simplified form of the half minus 1 by 4. When you subtract half minus 1 by 4, we are getting 1 by 4. So in here, when you solve this, you are getting the answer 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now let's solve this question. Using which law of exponent we can solve this? See here, we are having base different. So base you are writing a and b, right? In the law of exponent, base we are using a and b only. So different base means a and b. Power same. Power we are using m and n. Same power, so we have to use same number, same alphabet. I'm using m here. A to the power m into b to the power m. When we have the same base with this, when we have the different base with same power, we have to multiply that, a into b whole to the power m. So what we have in the place of a? In the place of a we are having 7, in the place of b we are having 8, and in the place of m we are having half. So using which law of exponent we can solve this? A to the power m into b to the power m, that is a into b whole to the power m. So when we simplify that, we are getting 7 into 8 whole to the power half. So this is similar to this one. Left side we are having 7 to the power half into 8 to the power half. Question is also similar to left side of the law of exponent. We have to simplify to this one, a to the power m into a to the power a into b whole to the power m. So here a is 7, b is 8, and m is half. 7 into 8 whole to the power half. What is 7 8? 7 8 is a 56. So we are getting 56 to the power half. First you have to see here, this is similar to which side, left side or right side. If it is similar to left side, we have to simplify the answer to right side form. If the question is similar to right side, we have to simplify the answer, that will be in the left side form. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. This is all about this unit. Here I finished this lesson. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and press the like button. Thank you.